Welcome everyone, I'm your TOEFL guide, and today we're mastering the Build a Sentence task. We'll start by dissecting a context sentence to predict what comes next, then we'll logically piece together scrambled words to form a perfect response. Let's dive in. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert strategies. Let's keep working toward your dream score together. Mount Etna is an active volcano in Sicily. The context introduces Mount Etna, a famous geological feature. Since it is described as an active volcano, we should expect the next sentence to describe its activity or the immediate effects of an eruption. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Let's build this. First, we start with the adjective heavy. Then we add the noun smoke. Next, we use the conjunction and to join the subjects. We follow with the adjective hot and the noun ash. Now for the verb, we dragged covered. We need an article, so we place then the adjective nearby. Finally, we finish with the noun villages. The American Revolution ended at the Battle of Yorktown. This sentence mentions the end of the American Revolution at a specific site. We expect the following sentence to provide details about the outcome of this Battle of Yorktown. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. We begin with the article, the. Then we add the adjective British. Next, the noun army. For the action, we drag the verb surrendered. We need a preposition, so we use to. Then another article, the, followed by the adjective American. Then the noun forces. Finally, we add the adverb there. Students must clean the lab tables after every class. The context emphasizes clean procedures in a laboratory setting. We can anticipate that the next sentence will explain the reason for this lab safety protocol. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we drag the adjective proper, then the subject noun hygiene. Next, we need a verb, so we place prevents. Then the article the, followed by the noun spread. We need a prepositional link, so we add of, then the adjective dangerous. Finally, we place the noun chemicals. Gutenberg invented the printing press in the 15th century. The sentence discusses the invention of the printing press. Logically, the next part will describe the impact this 15th century technology had on society. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. We start with the subject printers. Then we add the verb produced. Next, the noun thousands. We need a link, so we drag of. Then the object books. We add the preposition for. Then the article the, followed by the adjective general. Finally, the noun public. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. This sentence introduces Australia as a unique geographical entity. We expect the following sentence to elaborate on the biological diversity found on this continent. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we drag the determiner this, then the adjective island. Next, the noun nation. We need a verb, so we place has. Then the quantifier many, followed by the adjective unique. Then the noun species. We add the preposition of. Finally, we place the noun animals. The annual career fair happens in the university gym. The context sets the scene at a career fair located in a university gym. We should look for information regarding what happens during this event for the students. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. We begin with the adjective local. Then we place the noun companies. Next, we drag the verb recruit. Then we add the quantifier many, followed by the noun students. We need a preposition, so we use for. Then the adjective permanent. Finally, we add the noun jobs. The Roman Senate made important decisions for the Republic. This sentence focuses on the Roman Senate and its political role. We can expect the next sentence to give a specific example of the decisions made by these leaders. Now let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. Let's start with the subject senators. Then we add the verb discussed. Next, we place the adjective new. Then the compound noun part tax, followed by the noun laws. We need a preposition, so we drag for. Then the article the. Next, the adjective Roman. Finally, the noun people. The Grand Canyon is a famous landmark in Arizona. The context introduces the Grand Canyon as a significant site. We expect the following sentence to describe a geographical feature of this landmark, such as the water source that formed it. Now, let's arrange our scrambled words to form the correct sentence. First, we drag the article the D, then the proper noun Colorado, next the noun river. For the action, we place the verb flows. We need a preposition, so we add through. Then another article, the C, followed by the adjective deep, then the adjective stone. Finally, we finish with the noun canyon. To excel in the build a sentence task, always begin by identifying the subject and the main verb to establish the sentence's core structure. Pay close attention to how adjectives and prepositions link specific ideas back to the context sentence. Consistent practice with these logical connections will ensure you maintain grammatical accuracy under exam pressure.